and which particular customers you are getting the highest margin. So that means if your customers are purchasing more profitable products, then you are having a more highest margin available. If the customers are purchasing lowest margin products, then you have the less business is there. So that kind of questions you can answer by using data mining. And some more also, who are my customers? That is, for example, who are my customers is, that is, you are purchasing a product, but you want to know that my products are purchased by the old aged people or middle aged people or young aged people. What kind of persons are purchasing my product? This information also we can able to answer by using data mining. And one more thing, what is the most effective distribution channel? Whether, for example, your company is selling the products in terms of online or offline, or you are also using some other app based, or you are using website. So that is based upon different kind of ways you are selling your products. What is the best? Whether the product selling in the online way is good, more products are selling in online mode or offline. That information also we can able to get by using the data mining. And what impact will new product services have been on the revenue or margin? For example, your company revenue is not improving. For that improving the revenue, what you want to decide is you want to launch the new product. So you want to verify that by launching the new product, whether revenues will be increased or not. For that, you conduct some kind of survey from the customers, whether the customers are expecting some kind of new products from my particular brand or not. So if they're expecting, if you release that particular new product, then automatically the sales will be improved. So that kind of analysis also we can done by using the data mining. So next, for example, what product promotions have the biggest impact on the revenue? For example, recently the IPL matches are going on. When the IPL matches are going on, automatically between the IPL overs, we have the ads will coming up, like Coca-Cola matches or some insurance. Like there's so many ads will come. So automatically the company wants to know that by giving the adding in the on TV, whether our company sales are increasing or not increasing. That a kind of analysis they want to done. So for that also data mining is required. So, and also see this, which customers are most likely to go to the competition. For example, if you observe some kind of shopping mall, they're putting some kind of offers. If you purchase the 5,000 above, we give a coupon. When automatically after 3 to 4 months, we go for lucky draw. Then if you won in the lucky draw, you can get the car. So that kind of, but the car is very small. For example, one day revenue of the company we can purchase a car, but actually with that particular single car agency, they will be able to put 4 months or 5 months of revenue they're going to get. One day profit is equal to the gift, but remaining all how many number of days are there? Those all days they're going to improve the revenue or sales will be automatically improved. But the customer think that we may win something in a lucky draw, lucky dip is going like that thing. But actually, the 1 day profit or 2 day profit of the company can be utilized for purchasing of the product. So this is for these all kind of different kind of analysis that data mining is required. Students, are you understand what is the requirement of data mining?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. So now the next one is application areas. What is this application areas is that data mining can be, whatever the data mining you are having, the data mining can be used in the different areas. Like we can use the finance for credit card analysis. That is how many number of customers are using credit card, or how many number of customers are paying the current bills, how many number of customers are paying their insurance bills, how many number of customers are paying their rent, or how many persons are going to the EMI mode. So like that variety of option, variety of things we can able to analyze in terms of credit card analysis by using data mining. And with respect to insurance also, we can also do the number of claims, that is number of so we can also go with the number of claims, that is the number of claims claiming, the number of claims the company is giving back. So these are all, and also fraud, whether the insurance is giving for the right person or not, whether any fraud is going on. These all kind of information can be done by in the insurance companies.